Tarbo has spent the last 24 hours home alone, and he's still pining for his mum. But he's not the only pup left here by himself. For safety, these babies form a creche, and Tarbo's best chance of survival is to join them. But first, he'll have to win them over. The rules of entry seem to be tougher than he expected. But Tarbo stands his ground, earning his place in Pup Club. He's found a partner in crime, and they've attracted attention. Black-backed jackals are here to snatch a tasty seal pup. Those pups with their mums have someone to fight their corner. The best chance now for Tarbo and his playmate is to get back to the creche and lose themselves in the crowd. He's lost his friend. Tarbo is alone, and no one can help him now. Brave Tarbo has found the courage to save his own life. Over the next 12 months, Tarbo will have many more lessons to learn to prepare him for a life at sea. But he's already shown he's got the fighting spirit he'll need to overcome life's challenges.